Mike, we need to talk. Now.
Sure, Dad. What's up?
I found out something today. Something about you. Care to explain who Sarah is?
Sarah? She's just a friend from school.
Don't lie to me, Mike. I saw you two together at the mall, holding hands.
Dad, I can explain.
Explain? Oh, this should be good. Go ahead, enlighten me.
Sarah and we're dating. I didn't tell you because I knew you'd react like this.
React like this? Mike, you're 16. You should be focusing on your studies, not sneaking around with some girl.
She's not just some girl, Dad. She's my girlfriend, and I care about her.
You care about her? Do you even know what that means at your age? This is exactly why I didn't want you getting involved in relationships. They're a distraction, and you can't afford that right now.
A distraction? You think Sarah is just a distraction? She's important to me, Dad. Why can't you understand that?
Mike, I'm not saying you can't have feelings for someone, but you're too young to be serious about a relationship. You have your whole future ahead of you, and this could ruin everything.
Ruin everything? You're overreacting. Sarah and I are happy together, and she's not getting in the way of my future. I'm still doing well in school, and I have my plans.
Plans? Your plans should include getting into a good college, building a career, not dating. I can't believe you would be so irresponsible.
Irresponsible? I'm being responsible. I'm balancing my schoolwork and my relationship. Why can't you trust me to handle this?
Because I know how these things can spiral out of control. I've seen it happen. You're blinded by your feelings and not thinking clearly.
That's not fair. You're judging Sarah without even knowing her. She's a good person, and she's not a bad influence on me.
This isn't about her being good or bad. It's about you not being ready for this kind of commitment. You're too young, Mike.
Dad, please. Just give us a chance. You'll see that I'm still focused on my goals.
Mike, I'm your father. It's my job to protect you, to make sure you don't make mistakes that could affect your future. This is one of those mistakes.
It's not a mistake, Dad. It's my life, and I want to live it on my terms.
I just want what's best for you, Mike. Can you understand that?
I do, Dad. But what's best for me is also being happy. And Sarah makes me happy.
I need some time to think about this, but this conversation isn't over.
Okay, Dad. But please, try to understand.
Hey, is everything okay? You seemed really upset earlier.
Yeah, just had a talk with my dad. He found out about us.
Oh no. How did he take it?
Not well. He thinks I'm too young to be in a serious relationship.
I'm sorry, Mike. Do you want to talk about it?
Yeah, I could use someone to talk to. Can we meet tomorrow in the garden?
Of course. See you then.
I'm heading out to work early today. Have a good day.
I've been thinking about our conversation last night.
And
I want to meet Sarah. I need to see for myself the person you're so adamant about.
really? You mean it?
Yes, but this doesn't mean I've changed my mind. I just want to understand what you see in her.
Okay, I'll arrange it. Thank you, Dad. Dad, this is Sarah. Sarah, this is my dad.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Thompson.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. So, Sarah, tell me about yourself. What do you do, and what are your interests?
Well, I'm a junior at Ridgeway High. I enjoy painting and I'm on the debate team. I also volunteer at the animal shelter on weekends.
Painting and debate. Huh? Interesting combination. How did you two meet?
We met in the library. Mike was struggling with his math homework and I offered to help. We've been friends ever since, and it just grew from there.
And how do you see this relationship affecting your future plans?
I see us supporting each other in our goals. Mike and I both understand the importance of education and our future careers. We help each other study and stay focused.
That's good to hear. But you must understand my concern. You're both very young, and young relationships can be distracting.
I understand, Mr. Thompson. But I promise you, we're both committed to not letting our relationship interfere with our futures. We support each other.
All right, I'm willing to give this a chance, but I have some ground rules. Mike, your grades need to remain high. Any sign of slipping, and we reassess this relationship. Understood?
Understood, Dad. Thank you.
And Sarah, I expect you to hold Mike accountable, just as he should hold you accountable.
We will.